Hi everyone, this is a video on how to make a complementary color value scale. The complementary colors I've chose are red and green. You can choose whichever two complementary colors you would like. The most important thing you need to know is you actually are only going to go down 2 squares, and then you start with the other color and go up 2 squares. I'll demonstrate how to do that right now. So I'm going to start with my red, and I'm just going to paint my pure red color in this box. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix down just a little bit of, since my brush is already mixed with red, I'm going to mix just a little bit of the green into this red. I want to see a little difference, but not too much. You'll notice if you mix too much of the complementary color, it'll turn to a doo-doo brown, and you need to start over. So watch, I just get a little bit. What can I do if it turns too dark at first, or maybe even doo-doo brown? That's right, I can add more red. So make sure you can even do a little tester. That's nice, it's not enough. So just a little bit. If you saw that, it's just a little bit on the tip of that brush mixing in there, and look how strong it changes that red. And I want enough red though, realize I need enough red to change that, to paint that entire box. So that's the common problem people do, is they mix colors, they don't mix enough, and it's hard to get that color back. I think I have enough now. Let's see if I have a little difference. Yeah. Now again, a slight difference. The objective of this is not to change super fast, it's to make a little value scale. If you don't see a difference, right, add just a little bit. All right, and that is a difference in red. Now I'm gonna make it change a little bit more, but still I'm not adding that much green. I'm still being very careful with how much I do it. I just want to see a change. I still want this to look red. Be very clear, you still want this to look red, or whatever color. If it's yellow or violet or orange or blue, you still want it to look that color, but you want it to look different. So I need a little bit more green. I need it to look different. You can start to see, ooh, scary. It starts to turn to that doo-doo brown. So you gotta go back and forth, kind of like mix. So notice I'm not mixing that much color, right? There we go. Oh, nice deep red. And I got this from mixing green, the complementary color of red. It's a beautiful color. Now I'm gonna paint, now stop. Just go down 2 and stop. Wash your brush. Dab it, don't pull it. Oh, I still got color on my brush. It's because I'm washing in a cup, not our cool grates. So you really want to make sure that color is out. When you go to your paintbrush, see how it's still got some color on it. There we go. Oh, still got some color on it. Ooh, it gets really in there. So you can see, remember what that guy said on that video, and having it, you want to have, the problem is people still have color left on their brush. Now this one is set up, yeah, you can see, I'll scoot it closer. Whoops. On this one, is that closer to you? There you go. I'm gonna just paint the pure color, the pure complementary color of red, which is green. So I'm just painting plain green down here in the bottom. Again, these squares you don't have to be perfect on, right? You can just do about. Now, I'm gonna take my green, move it over here. That's gonna be my mixing green. Ooh, see, I still had red in there. Ooh, dangerous. Dangerous. Well, luckily I'm mixing some. Just a little bit of red in there. And I'm gonna mix that. Again, I don't wanna change it to doo-doo brown. I don't wanna change it to too dark of a green. Remember the reds, I just made slight variations. This to me looks too dark, so I'm gonna add some more green to it. I wanna make it more subtle. There we go. Beautiful color. And the viscosity that you have will make a difference as well. If you have water on your brush, it's going to automatically look lighter because the paint, the white background, you can see, watch, if I spread it out thin, see how the white starts to show and it looks lighter? So you got to be consistent with the pressure so you can see. All right, now I'm just going to take my red again. And notice, I used way too much paint for this, for the complementary color. I did not need even a dime-sized drop. Oh, and then also look, doo-doo brown, more green, danger, danger, danger. Start over. Ooh, there it is. There's that deep green. These are the purpose of making a complementary color value scale is to learn to mix natural shadows. Often, when you're mixing black, nice, beautiful color, black with your colors, it's not as natural looking as it would be with a complementary color. So remember that a complementary color's pure purpose is to make more of a natural shadow. And even you could say that's like too much. You can mix on your paper. You can add a little bit more. But that's almost like a too big of a jump, but you can start to see how it goes. I got that nice dark deep green. All right, thank you very much.